How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I'm Shraddha. Our today's topic name is Animal Shelters. Animal Shelters. So students, before starting this lesson, I would like to ask you few questions and you have to answer it. My first question is, where do we live? Children, where do we live? Yes, very good. We live in our houses. Now my next question is, why do we need house? Children, think about this question and give me answer. Why do we need house? Yes, students, very good. We need houses because houses keep us warm in winter and cool in summer. As you can see in this picture, houses protect us from rain and harmful animals. So students, everyone needs home means shelter. We all feel very safe in our house. As you can see in this picture, happy and safe family. After the school get over, all of us so eager to reach back to our sweet home. Correct, no children? Yes. Do you think animals also have homes? Yes. Like us, animals too need a place to go to in the night for sleeping comfortable and protecting themselves. Now students, we will see our today's topic, animals shelter. Hey kids, do you want to know where animals live and what are their homes called? So, my first example is rabbit. Rabbit live in a hole. See here children, in this picture you can see it easily. Rabbit live in a hole. Next, lion. Lion live in a cave. Next, third picture, birds. Birds live in nest. Next and last, bear. Bear live in a cave. Ant. Ant live in an ant hill. As you can see in this picture children here. Now next, crocodile. Crocodile live in a pond or lake. Okay. So next, dog. Okay students, tell me where dog live? Yes, who will tell me where dog live? Correct. Dog live in a kennel. Very good children. Next, cat. Cat live in basket. Cat live in basket. Next, pigs. Pigs live in pigsty. As you can see in this picture, many pigs are there. Correct, no children? So, pigs live in pigsty. Elephants live in a jungle or forest. So students, animals, birds and human beings lives in their home. Now we will see in details animal shelters. Now students, we will discuss these all points today in this topic. Those are animals who build shelter for themselves. Next point, animals that find ready shelter in the surrounding. Next and last, third point is shelters for domestic animals. Now students, we discuss first point, animals who build shelter for themselves. So students, you must have seen birds live in a nest. As you can see in this picture, children, birds live in a nest. Birds are afraid of animals that eat eggs. So they need a safe place to lay their eggs. Baby birds come out of the eggs. Here you can see in this picture, children, how baby birds come out of the eggs. There are animals that eat their young bird. The young birds are too weak to defend themselves. The nest keep the young ones safe. The nest keep the young ones safe. Do you know, students? Birds use these things like grass, straw, twigs to build their nest. Birds use cotton, wool, pieces of threads and strings to build their nest. This makes the nest soft and warm. I'm sure, students, you must have seen the bird nest. Our second point is animals that find ready shelter in the surrounding. Some animals do not make any efforts to build a shelter. They simply look around for a safe place. Doves and pigeons live in forests and some live in small hollows. Some live near our houses. Children, here you can see in this picture, doves and pigeons live in forests and some live in small hollows. Tigers and lions live in jungle and also in caves. Hyena, leopards also live in caves. Bats live on tall trees. Here you can see in this picture, children, how bats live on tall trees. And bats come out in the dark. Now students, we are going to discuss our last point. Shelters for domestic animals. Now children, domestic animal means what? Domestic animal means an animal that is not wild and is kept as a pet or to produce food. To produce food. Okay children, understood? Domestic animal means what? Okay, now we will move further. When people keep animals, they build shelter for them. The shelter built for hen is called a chicken coop or a hen's house. It means hens live in a chicken coop. Here you can see in this picture, children, chicken coop. The house for cow is called as a cow sheds. It means cows live in cow sheds. Here you can see in this picture, children, cows live in cow sheds. A shelter for a horse is called as stable. It means horses live in a stable. Now students, what we have learned today? That we'll see. Number 1. A shelter is a safe place where one is protected from many dangers. Next point is animals and humans need a shelter to protect themselves from the cold, wind, sun and rain. Next point is some animals build their own shelter. Next, some animals look for ready shelters in their surroundings. Next and last point, we build shelters for the animals we keep. Come on students, it's time for your homework. Question number 1. Match the following. Children, here I gave you two columns, column A and column B. So in column A, animal and birds are there. And in column B, their shelters. Okay, so you have to choose it correct one shelter and match it. For example, I will show you. Number 1, bird. So where bird live? Is honeycomb? No. Is kennel? No. Is nest? Yes. So bird live in a nest. So you have to match it. Understood? Like this you have to do this, match the following. Question number 2. Draw any 5 animals with their shelter and name them. Children, you have to draw any 5 animals with their shelter and name them. Question number 3. Filling the blanks. Children, here I gave you already options in bracket. So you have to choose it correct one. Options are cave, jungle, ant hill, stable. Okay. So number 1, an elephant live in dash. Which is the correct option, children here? An elephant live in, very good, jungle. So you have to write jungle. So next number 2, lion live in dash. Options are cave, ant hill, stable. Which is the correct answer? Yes, cave. So you have to write down cave. So your answer is lion live in cave. Next number 3, horse live in dash. Which is the correct answer? Yes, very good, stable. So your answer is horse live in stable. So you have to write down here stable. Number 4, ant live in dash. Very good children. Ant live in ant hill. Understood? Children, you have to write down this homework in your EVS notebook. I hope you all understood this lesson very well. Thank you. I hope you all understood this lesson very well. Thank you.